Now to the latest on the COVID-19 pandemic. The Oregon Health Authority continues to report hundreds of new cases every day. A total of 373 positive cases were reported today. And just yesterday, we had the third highest daily count since the health crisis began. 6 deaths were reported, and that brings the running 7-day average to more than 6 deaths per day. And with the rise in cases, a few Oregon counties are taking a step back in the state's reopening process. The governor announced that Morrow County has been moved back to phase 1 starting today as well. Umatilla County is rolling all the way back from phase 2 down to a baseline stay home status. It's the first county in Oregon to be moved back 2 phases. Fox 12's Brenna Kelly spoke with the board chairman of the Umatilla County Commissioners about how it's affecting people who live there.
John Schaefer says the news has been really tough on small businesses. Many of the restaurants had already ordered food for the weekend. So the Oregon Health Authority released new guidance specific to restaurants and bars in Umatilla County. There will be a 48-hour transition period for reopening rollbacks, allowing dine-in service to happen outside. Schaefer tells me since the county has been on a watch list, the order to roll back didn't come as much of a surprise. It's the timing of the announcement last night that caught them off guard. He says perhaps people have been too lax about mask wearing.
Out here in Eastern Oregon, it's pretty easy for people to say, well, I don't need to wear my mask because there's nobody around me. And that's fine if there's nobody around you. But the problem is then they forget and they're comfortable and they get around people they know and are comfortable with and they're not wearing their masks.
Schaefer says while people are frustrated, they are willing to do what it takes to slow the spread of the virus. Brenna Kelly, Fox 12 Oregon.